Sit there. Hold it good. Baby, oh. Like this. Look at here. Yayan, walk here. Walk, and step. Again. Yayan, step here, and walking, and step. Okay, we again. Hi. Okay, we will walk near Yayan here. Okay, you can do by yourself. Walk here and step here. Don't step in the white, huh? Okay. Oh, good job, little girl. Again here.
I can do it.
Can do it. Okay, hold here. Mommy can help you from here. Hold, baby. Hold good like this. Hold. And you can walk. Hold it, baby.
To the end?
Yeah, to the end. We walk here and stop from the dot. Okay, the more ants we will walk from the ants and stop. And we will walk here and stop. You see, we step in the dot and go to the another dot. Good Yayan, huh? You can do by yourself na. Okay, you can step here and go here. Okay, you can do by yourself. Wow, good job. Again here. And you can go here. Now you're finished your homework na. Okay?
Let's go to school now.
Okay, we can prepare to go to school na.
Bye.